Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use iYURA Manjish Glow Elixir, Elixir, okay. So you should use this product or not, and how you should use this product for better result, okay. So let's get started. The first thing, I have already make a video on this brand like iYURA. iYURA is a very popular, you can say, brand. The approx age of the, you can say, brand is like 9 years from now. This is a 9-year-old brand. And if we talk about this product, this is a very good product. And if we talk about the pricing are really, we really don't know what is the pricing of this product. You can, if this product is under budget, you can say in your budget, then you can purchase, otherwise you can avoid, okay. And if you already purchased this product, how you can use this product? So the best way to use this product is like you need to clean your face with any face wash first of all, okay, because you need to remove all the dust from your face. And you should use this product like every day and while you are going to bed, okay. So first you need to clean your face with any kind of face wash, and then you can apply this, you can see over here 4 drops in your palm, and you should use your palm and you can massage your face and very gently and leave it for 5 minutes, okay, or 7 minutes, and you can leave the oil on your face and your skin will absorb this and it will give you good results, okay. And if we talk about the results are depend on maybe person to person. Maybe you will get instant results like in between 10 to 15 days, but the results are not come overnight. It will take some time, because this kind of product will work a long period of time, like 10 to 15 days minimum it will take, and then it will give you good amazing results. But the results are also depend on person to person skin condition, and person to person, you can say, like health condition is also the first bonus point for you. Like you should use this product, if you are going to use this product first time, then you should use this product only for a small area. And then if you don't feel any kind of irritation and all, then you can continue for, you can say, whole face. But if you are going to use this for first time, you should not apply this oil for your whole face, okay. So this is the information. Now depends on you. If you have any experience with this product, you can share your experience in our comment box. Your comment will helpful for lots of people, okay. So this is the information, and thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.